Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix cannot install game or apps from Microsoft Store in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on apps and features. In the search box, type a Microsoft Store. Go to your Microsoft Store, click on these three dots, click on advanced options, scroll down. First of all, click on a repair. After that, click on reset. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows. After that, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, scroll down and click on Windows Store Apps, run it. Click on next button. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After that, first of all, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. It's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After that type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download, click on first link, scroll down and click on download now, create Windows 11 is installation media, click on download now, save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section. So open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my case is my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement, and if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.